Some of the other places, you know, if you're, I always say if you're going after, let's say you're in nursing and maybe NIH, this is your first award that you're looking for. NIH might be too big of a goal to reach right now. Always look to see what nurses wear, what nurses use, who makes it, who manufactures it. A lot of those companies have sponsored program type funding, and you'll hear more from Caleen in regards to foundations. So I'm talking about ones that may be research-based, and then other forms of, you know, I'll use Crocs, for example. Crocs has a nonprofit that they fund things through because people wear Crocs in the industries of outside of nursing and things like that. So then you get into the nitty-gritty of reviewing the solicitation. This is the most critical piece in writing the sponsor program. You found your funding, you know what you're going to do, knowing the ins and outs of that. And that's where our office is there to assist you. So as soon as you get that RFP, our staff, they'll meet with you. I have your point people based on which departments you are. I have their business cards with me today, and I'll hand them out to you all individually if you're interested. And getting to walk them through the solicitation, what the requirements are, if you're going to need current and pendings, if you're going to need CVs or bio sketches, and getting all that in place before that day that it is due. Okay. We have some new policies that are coming out right now. Currently, our policy is 4 days. All information is supposed to be into our office before the deadline for submission. That will be kind of changing here in the next week or two, but 4 days means everything's ready to go. So Office of Sponsored Programs is not same day you find an RFP, same day you try to submit, same day it goes in. That doesn't happen in our world, unfortunately. So start early, know your OSP. So I'll go ahead and we'll take questions at the end, but that's really the grand scope of sponsored programs and finding it, aligning it when you get it, and then the award process, that's a whole second piece. So this is just finding and writing it.